Think there's only one way to play bass drum? Think again. Here are 6 bass drum techniques every drummer should know. Heel down. Maximum control. Perfect for groove, dynamics, and beginners. Heel up. More power, more volume. The go-to technique for most drummers. Heel toe. 1 motion, 2 strikes. Fast and efficient. Slide technique. Hit. Slide. Hit again. Perfect for quick doubles. Swivel. Less tension, more speed. Your ankles will thank you later. Combine heel up and heel toe. Maximum speed, maximum efficiency. This is where things get serious.